filming this already because in case I fail.
Are you in?
I'm yeah.
Are you in?
I'm in. I'm a big old boy.
Yeah, this is where it gets personal.
Hello.
Patrick.
Yeah. So
you're going to know me better in the next couple of minutes than you have done before.
So this is Max, everyone.
Hello.
He's one of the brothers from Alfaholics, and he's quite close to my penis. So we are currently sat in the GTA-R290, I believe, is what
290, yeah,
is the title, and we're going up Stelvio Pass today. I'm excited. This car is pretty notorious. So, day 3, Petrolhead Tours X Alfaholics Tour up Stelvio Pass in this. Give us the quick rundown of engine specification.
So it's an Alpha 75 derived engine, which was like the not very nice looking 80s 4-door saloon from Alfa.
Yeah.
Last of the line of the fully aluminium twin cam Alfa engines. It's bored and stroked, so it's now out to 2.3 litres, 240 horsepower, 200 foot-pounds of torque.
Wow. And this is in a car that weighs probably just over 850, maybe more with me in it now.
It's 830.
830.
With neither of us in it, so
wow.
it's a bit more now.
Okay, yeah, slightly, because I'm a big boy. Amazing. And steering aid wise, is there
nothing? There's no aids on this. It's manual steering, manual brakes, no traction, no ABS, no stability. It's all down to the E's and No's.
Not down to you. So excited for this because I've watched Chris Harris's video on this about 9 times just in this tour alone, and the reputation that he gave this car was basically comparing it to what Singer is to Porsche, Alfaholics is to Alfa Romeo. So I think you may have built a pretty special car here. Anyway, without further ado, enjoy the video. Make sure you like to subscribe to the Talk Nation. Hope you're enjoying the video so far. And let's climb up Stelvio Pass. Yeah. So the first thing you notice is this incredible sense that this car is built for speed and speed alone. The smell of like the whole petrol and everything warming up, and then the vibration you get through the seat is like next level. And we haven't even gone above 1,000 RPM yet. It's just, this is a very special car. Oh, it sounds so good. Frustrating road at the moment. The solid white lines in most European countries means no overtaking, so we're stuck behind a Porsche Macan actually, and Max's brother Andrew is in the car ahead, and that's an Alfa Romeo Giulia TI Super. So what you see in front of you is Max's brother in, again, a very built car similar to this.
Was fantastic. Very funny.
Right, so what a mega day already. That drive was insane. Tried to fill as much as I could, however, me being me, I felt a bit sick. So, got to the top and cooled down a bit and actually drove back in the van because it was a much smoother ride. But absolutely incredible, the cars were beautiful, the scenery is just gorgeous. And then we stopped by the massive lake at the bottom where there's a huge long tunnel that goes all the way across, and took some pictures there and stuff. So hope you enjoyed all the cinema of all of that stuff, and yeah, now time for some lunch. Catch you in a bit.